Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys first time visited to my channel, please watch the previous video where I have shared some basic information about iOS development and its tools. Yeah, today we are going to know about all the files that we have created project in previous video, right? We saw several files after creating a project like app delegate, scene delegate, view controller, main storyboard, and assets, land screen, info playlist. I'm going to brief about each and every file. So that we get to know what file exactly do in our development. So coming to app delegate here, actually app delegate will be responsible for the app life cycle and its setup. So here you can see methods, did finishing, launch with option, and configuration for connecting, and did discard scene sections. Guys, here in each and every method you can see the description about that particular method. That xcode by defaultly gives some information to us to know exactly that particular method will do. Now coming to scene delegate, like scene delegate is will be responsible for what is shown on the screen, handle and manage the way your app is shown. So here also you can see multiple methods of like did disconnect, become active, will resign active, enter background, foreground, like this. You can see brief explanation about each and every method. This xcode will by defaultly provide us to know, so please go through each and every method description, guys. Next coming to vcontroller. Here vcontroller actually manages a set of views and helps in making the application user interface, and it coordinates with a model objects and other controller objects too. Sorry for my English. Yeah, and I'm little bit nervous, sorry for that clumsiness, guys. Now coming to main storyboard, actually main storyboard is a visual representation of the our user interface. Whatever user is seeing in application like login screen, register screen, everything, user interface alignments and all those things will be done in main storyboard. Like we have here v storyboard, v controller, I mean we have view controller. We need to interface each and every screen with their respective class. Coming to this class, click on this. We have here inspector, please click on that. So here you can see in fourth option class has interfaced with view controller, because it is by defaultly one class will be created corresponding to this screen. I have changed here background color for this scene, so I'm going to change here. So in fifth option, in inspector, in fifth option you can see background color has set to green color. I'm going to change this some blue color. Yeah, like this we can change background color. This is the main purpose of main storyboard. And assert, I mean here actually by defaultly we get a few icons from xcode, but if we want any customized icons we need to integrate here. Actually how, let me show you one. uh, like this, we create image set, give it a name, and for example it is logo for our application. So example here 1x 2x 3x. What is meant by 1x 2x 3x? Here actually we need to mention actually image want to change according to device size. So that here we have three images, 1x for SC and 5s, and another for 2, I mean 8 plus and x for 2x, and 3x for iPads. And coming to this is what assets have. And here we can create colors too, like color set for dark theme and light theme settings. um, we can create like we have to give as per our requirement, naming as per our requirement we should give, like from in for example, in light theme we want white color, right? So white to, in dark theme it should be black, so I'm giving name like this. After selecting this, you can change here in inspector. If it is not visible, please click on this, it can be visible here. After here you can see that appearance, any dark, any light, dark, like this. I'm selecting any light, light appearance, dark appearance. Here we need to provide, because for anything, I mean below 12, I mean below 13, there is no theme settings, that's why it comes under any appearance. After 13 we have these theme settings, right? So for light appearance it should be white, for dark appearance we can change here. mm, we need to actually we need to give like this. Now it automatically, if we go to main storyboard, I'm going to call here background color. We can see here white to black. I have added in assets, so you can see here. I'm going to add this. While running application in dark theme, it will get to black. I will show you that input in further videos. As of now, we will discuss about another file called launch screen. Actually, launch screen appears when your app is starts up, like when you click on application at the first time, that it will welcomes the user with some message or some icon. This is what actually launch screen do. So after this, it is similar to main storyboard, but we have only one scene for launch screen. In main storyboard we can add many as per our requirement, but launch screen we have only one storyboard. That is what this. And another one is info playlist. The main theme of the info playlist is here. By adding this key in info playlist, now we can get network access to our application. Like this only, we need to add keys here for photos, contacts, access of the user as per our app requirement. Yeah, that's it guys for today. I will come with another new video soon. Until then, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. And please, any suggestion you want me to give, please comment in comment section. Yeah, that's done for today guys. I'm going to come with another video. Until then, bye bye, see you, have a nice day.